Hi children, good morning. All the ninth class children, today we are going ahead with the assignment number 3. And you can see very clearly this is the assignment related to the inequalities. In inequalities we have less than and greater than, less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. These are the four things and we are going ahead with these four binary operation in our assignment today, and we are going it with the first question. See, solution of minus 3x which is greater than minus 9. In this one they are telling that minus 3x is greater than minus 9. From this one I can say very clearly I want the value of x. When I want the value of x, I don't want here the negative symbols. We have a rule that whenever we are multiplying negative symbol for the both LHS and RHS, then automatically we can know that the symbol greater than will be changes as less than. From this one I can say that 3x which is having greater than symbol will become less than 9. So from this one automatically I can divide both side with 3. Both side I am dividing with 3. So from this one I will cancel. So here 1 will be there, 1 into x, and 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So from this one I will get x is less than 3. We can say that x is less than 3, and you can observe very clearly the first option is x is greater than 3, that is not our answer, and second one if you are going at x is less than 3, so the second option is correct for the first one. Solution of minus 3x greater than minus 9 is x is less than 3. Yes children, we have done with the first sum. We are moving to the second question. Yeah, solution of 2x divided by 3 greater than 4 is dash. Once again I am telling, find the solution of 2x by 3 which is greater than 4. 2x by 3 which is greater than. So first of all, to go ahead with this solving this inequality, we will be multiplying both sides with 3. We'll multiply both sides with 3. So automatically 3 and 3 gets cancelled. You will get 2x is greater than 12. 2x is greater than 12. Then from this one 2x and this one I want only x. So I am eliminating here 2 by dividing both sides. So 2x divided by 2 is greater than 12 divided by 2. So from this one I will get 2 gets cancelled, I will get x, and here 2 ones are and you will get 6 are. So ultimately you are getting as 6. From this one I can conclude that x is greater than 6 for this one. So first option x is greater than 12, so it is not our answer, and x is less than 12, second option is not correct, and third one x is greater than 6. You can observe very clearly third option is our option. Yeah. Then we are switching to the third question. Yeah, once you observe very clearly, the solution set of 4x plus 3 is less than 15 and x belongs to n. N, you know very clearly, n represents natural numbers. Here they are not asking only the x value, all the possible values of x. Okay, please observe that one children. They are not asking only x value, they are asking very clearly about all the possible values of x, and x belongs to natural numbers. So for this one I am going with the solution. So 4x plus 3 which is less than 15. For solving the inequalities I am going ahead with 4x plus 3. I am subtracting here 3, and here also I am subtracting with 3. So we are getting as 4x plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, so you will get 0 which is less than 15 minus 3 is nothing but 12. And next one 4, we have to eliminate 4 by dividing here by 4 plus 4. So you will get x, 4 gets cancelled, you will get 1, and 4 ones are, and here 4 threes are. So x is less than 3. From this one I can conclude first option you are getting 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Here x is less than 3 they are asking. So please tell me children, what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. In this one they are asking very clearly the x value which is less than 3. What are the natural numbers which are less than 3? You can observe very clearly 1 and 2. So our x value is equal to 1 and 2. Is it first option 2, 3, 4? No. Is it second option 3, 4, 5? No. What is the third option? 1, 2. Yes, it is matching with our option. So the answer is 3. You got it, no children? So we are switching to the next fourth question. So solution of 5 minus 4x which is less than x minus 10 is dash. They are asking the x value is what? So for this one, solution 5 minus 4x is less than x minus 10. So in this sum, we'll make one small clarity, bringing all x one side and all the numbers one side. From this one I will get minus 4x. If you bring plus x this side, you will get minus x is less than minus 10, and if you send 5 that side, you will get minus 5. So you will be going ahead with minus 4x minus x is nothing but you will get minus 5x less than minus 50. In first sum only I have been discussed very clearly to you that when we are multiplying minus on both sides, then automatically less than will become greater than and greater than will become less than. From this one I can conclude that 5x less than will be going ahead with greater than 50. Now to eliminate 5 here, we are dividing both sides with 5. So 5 gets cancelled and you are getting here 5 ones are, 5 threes are. So you are getting x is greater than 3. So from the first option x is less than 3, that is not our option. And second option, if you can say x is less than 5, that is also not our option. And x is greater than 3, that is our option. You can check it. So our answer is 3. You got it, no children? So we can switch on to the fifth question. So if a is less than b, they are telling very clearly in solution, if a is less than b, okay, and c is less than 0, this is very important children, and they told c is less than 0. What is the meaning of c is less than 0? Yes, almostly some of the children are getting into their mind that is C numbers are negative numbers. All the numbers which are C are nothing but less than 0 means they are negative. So whenever we are going at multiplying any negative number, then automatically you know very clearly less than will become greater than and greater than will become less than, and bigger number will become the smaller number in inequalities when you multiply both sides with minus. So we will have two things. If I am multiplying A and B with C, automatically they have given A is less than B. So when you are multiplying C, that is a negative quantity, then less than will become greater than. This is the first condition we will be having. And when you are dividing also, when you are dividing, same this one also, A is divided by C and B is also divided by C, and you will be having less than will become, so here less than will become greater than. So in these two options you may match with anyone. So first one, if you are taking AC is less than BC, but we have AC is greater than BC, so first one is not our option. And second one, if I am taking A by C is greater than B by C, A by C is greater than B by C, yes, it is matching with this one, second option. Once we will check the third option also, A by C is less than B by C, already it is greater than, so it is not our option. And fourth one, they are telling A plus C is greater than B plus C. So from this one I can say very clearly that our option is 2, which we have been done. And today's worksheet we have been done, assignment 3. Thank you all the children.